Today I'm all happy because my box from ChocoRite just arrived in the mail. So let's unbox this and see what we have here. ChocoRite makes a great variety of sugarless chocolate bars and protein bars. Here's a sample of some of their varieties of light and dark chocolates and chocolate candies. They come in full-size bars. You can see here compared to a quarter what you're getting for your money. So I opened up a dark chocolate to see what it looked like, and it looked pretty good. So I think I'll break off a piece and take a bite. Oh, this is really robust chocolate. Now the only other variation is what kind of nut you want with it. ChocoRite also makes protein bars. I tried out the cookie dough and the cookies and cream. I really enjoyed these syrupy, slightly sticky treats. The flavors came through really well. They're sweetened with Eurythal, so it only has 100 calories per bar, 10 grams of protein, and 1 gram of net carbs. Try these out. They're the largest chocolate bars in the sugar-free market. They come in 5 great flavors, and you can get started by clicking on the links in the description below.